Sup with you, my peeps? How you doing? It's your baby girl, Mama Òndó of Africa. It's another episode of Learn Ondo Dialect with Mama Òndó. My name is Rachel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, please. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Without you guys, I can't continue. So today, I'm going to teach you guys some few things the things around us. If you want to refer to things in Ondo dialect, I told you the last time that Ondo dialect is more of Yoruba, and it's just a little difference from Yoruba. So I'm going to tell you some difference that we have in Ondo and in Yoruba when it comes to things, to pronounce things. So the first thing here is house. House. In Yoruba, it's being called ile, a big house. Yoruba is ile to tobi. In Ondo is uli is house. Uli. Now you want to refer to a big house in Ondo. It's called uli yolala. Uli yolala. Is it funny? Alright. Another thing here is yam. In Yoruba, it's called ishu. In Ondo, it's called ushu. Like a yam seller. Yoruba is omonishu. In Ondo, it's being called omolushu. Omolushu. Kawa. Omolushu. Beushu ewa. Omolushu. Beushu ewa. Another one is, I just want you to know something. Some words that start with I in Yoruba is being replaced with you. U in Ondo. I. Is being replaced with U in Ondo. That's what I want you guys to understand. So in case you can speak Yoruba very well, it's just for you to replace those things that you pronounce with E with U in Ondo dialect. So another one we have here is market. Like a place you have settled, a kind of a spot in market. When you are selling something in the market, you have a shop, and it's like, let's just say a shop. So, and like, where is your shop? Niboni isorewa moja. Where is your shop? Where is your spot in the market? Ondo will be like kibi usoewa uso. Next one here is church. Let me say church. I don't know. Take it anyhow. Church, a place of worship. So church in Yoruba is being pronounced as Ijo, Ijowa, our church. Well, in Ondo, it's being pronounced as Ujo, Ujowa, Ujo. Please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as we continue our class next time. I love you so much. My name is Rachel, Mama Òndó of Africa. Bye. Peace out.